How to disable two-factor authentication in Deriv GO. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. Two-factor authentication adds extra security to your account, but if you've decided to disable it on Deriv GO, here's how you do it. First of all, launch open the Deriv GO app on your device and log into your account. Once you're inside the home page of Deriv GO, go to the upper right corner and tap on the profile icon. Now, click on Account Settings. After you do that, click on Two-Factor Authentication from the bottom. Now, go ahead and open up your Two-Factor Authentication app and then copy the code from Deriv GO, paste it inside the Authentication Code tab and click Disable. Make sure that the code is correct and you have successfully disabled two-factor authentication on Deriv GO. Disabling two-factor authentication makes your account less secure. If you ever change your mind, it's a good idea to turn it back on to keep your funds safe. So that's it. You've successfully turned off two-factor authentication in Deriv GO. Nice and easy, right? If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.